Introducing Neo4j 5, ushering in a new era in graph technology that is transforming the way we use connected data. And with this latest update, Neo4j is more powerful than ever. You want enhanced performance? Neo4j is unmatched in the market. Neo4j was already 1,000 times faster than relational databases, and with version 5, Neo4j widens the performance lead with new features like K-hop query optimization, graph pattern matching, and granular indexes. You want your data to scale? With 5, Neo4j has unbounded scalability. Autonomous clustering lets you scale out horizontally with less manual overhead and better use of computing resources. And when your datasets lie in multiple databases, Fabric instantly helps you create a composite graph of insights hidden in disparate silos. You want agility? Neo4j 5 has unparalleled operational agility. Neo4j fits your IT strategy, whether it's on-premise, cloud, hybrid, or multi-cloud. And with Neo4j Ops Manager and a continuous release support model, it's easier than ever to manage your database in the cloud. Neo4j 5 helps you achieve unbounded performance, scale, and agility. Find out more at neo4j.com.